Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we are solving mathematical physics written by H.K. Das, and today we are going to solve the next question of Fourier series, that is question number 7 of exercise 11.1. and in this question we have to represent the Fourier series for the function for this function in between the limits 0 to 2 pi. So and finally we have to prove that the function is equals to summation n from 1 to infinity cos nx by n square, and after that we have to prove that we also have to prove that pi square by 6 equals to 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square up to dash dash dash. So students, as we know that generally know that the formula to find the Fourier representation is this, where a naught can be calculated by the formula 1 by pi and integrating from 0 to 2 pi the function, and the function is 3x square minus 6x pi plus 2 pi square by 12. Now integrating this function we will get the value just like that, 1 by pi, and we will get its integration just like that. Integration of 3x square will be 3x cube by 3, hence x cube only, minus integration of 6x pi will be 6x square by 2 pi. So from here we will get 3x square pi only, and 2 pi square integration of 2 pi square will be 2 pi square x divided by 12. So this is the integration. Now put the limits over there, 0 to 2 pi. So by putting the limits from 0 to 2 pi we will get the value just like that, 8 pi cube minus, I am putting here 2 pi, then 2 pi whole cube will be 8 pi cube minus 4 pi square into 3 will be 12 pi square into pi will be pi cube, then again 2 pi square into x, that is 2 pi, so this value will be 4 pi cube divided by 12. Okay, and multiply it with 1 by pi. So 8 pi cube plus 4 pi cube will be 12 pi cube, and 12 pi cube minus 12 pi cube will cancel out. So the value of a naught will be 0 only. So calculate the value of an similarly, and by putting the value that is 1 by pi and integrating the function from 0 to 2 pi, and the function is 3x square minus 6x pi plus 2 pi square and divided by 12 with respect to cos nx, as that is the general formula to find the function. So I will apply the general formula of the product of the two functions. When we have to integrate the product of two functions here, then this function will change into u dot v integration of v minus differentiation of u and double integration of v, that is the integration of v dash plus differentiation of u dash, that is u double dash and v triple dash, and we have to integrate and differentiate till we get the first function, that is u as a constant term. So I will put u as it is, that will be just like that, 3x square minus 6x pi plus 2 pi square divided by 12, and from here 1 by pi is already over there. And now integrating the second function, that is cos nx, that will change into sin nx by n. Now minus putting over there, then differentiating this term, then this value will turn into 6x minus 6 pi divided by 12 only, differentiating this, and integration of sin nx will be minus cos nx by n square, then plus, then again differentiating it we will get 6 by 12 only, and integrating this we will get minus, that minus will be minus here, and cos nx will be minus sin x, so this value will be plus only, so plus sin nx divided by n square. And now put the limits from 0 to 2 pi. So students, as we already know that sin 2n pi, just by putting the upper limit and lower limit, sin 2n pi, first time it will become sin 2n pi and second time it will become sin 0. So in both the conditions sin is 0, the value of the this is will be 0, and here this term will also be equal to 0. So from here we got the term that is 1 by pi, and bracket start, this minus and this minus will cancel out, then this term will become into 6 into x minus pi divided by 12 and cos nx by n square. Now by putting the limits from 0 to 2 pi, so this value will turn into 1 by pi bracket start 6, and putting at the place of x 2 pi, that will be 6 into pi divided by 12 and cos 2 n pi divided by n square. Now minus 6 into minus pi, because 0 minus pi will be minus pi only, and cos 0 divided by n square. So this term will turn into 1 by pi, bracket start 6 1 and 6 2. This term will turn into pi cos 2 n pi. Cos 2 n pi will be 1 only, as we know that cos n pi equals to minus 1 power n, and if I will put it over there, the value of the n is odd number, then this will turn into minus 1. If the value of n is an even term, then this value will be plus 1. So as 2n pi is there, then this value will always be a even term, then this value will turn into plus 1 divided by 2n square. Minus and minus will turn into plus only, and from there 6 6 I will take common, as this 12 was outside, sorry, that 12 I will put over there also, then this value will turn into plus pi by 2 into 1 by n square. So from here I will take 1 common, and this value will turn into 1 by pi, outside is also over there. So from here we will get 2 pi by 2n square. Okay, so from here 2 will cancel out 2 and pi will cancel out pi, so the value of n will be equals to 1 by n square. Now similarly integrate for the bn, and the value of bn can be calculated by the general formula. Bn equals to integrating from just by putting 1 by pi and integrating from 0 to 2 pi the function, that is 3x square minus 6x pi plus 2 pi square divided by 12 and sine nx. So integrating this we will get by the general formula, that is the last one. So this term will remain common, that is 3x square minus 6x pi plus 2 pi square divided by 12. Then integration of sine nx will be minus cos nx by n, and after that the value will be I will put minus over there, and differentiating this we will get minus 6x minus 6 pi divided by 12, and integrating minus cos nx, minus will be there, and sine cos nx will be sine nx by n. So here sine nx by n square will be there, then putting plus over there, and we will get 6 by 12 by differentiating this term, and from here we will get minus, and integration of sine nx will be minus cos x, so this value will turn into plus, so cos nx by n cube. Okay, now put the limits from 0 to 2 pi, so again the terms of sine nx will be 0. So here we will get the term, and 1 pi is also over there, so from here we will get the value just like that. The value will be just like that, 1 by pi bracket start, and from there this value is 3x square minus 6x pi plus 2 pi square by 12 and minus cos nx by n. From here plus 6 cos nx by 12 n cube. Okay, and put the limits from 0 to 2 pi over there. So from here 0 to 2 pi, by putting it over there we will get 1 by pi. I am just solving this term at one side and this term at one side. So from here we will get, I will put 2 pi here, then this value will turn into 2 pi, that will be 4 pi square, and 4 into 3 will be 12 pi square minus 12 pi square again, and plus 2 pi square divided by 12 and cos 2 n pi, that is minus cos 2 n pi will be 1 by n only, and now putting it over there here only, that is 2 pi, so 6 cos 2 n pi divided by 12 n cube. Now minus, I will put minus over there, and I'm just writing it over there, minus, and putting it over 0 over there, then we will get from here 2 pi square by 12 only, and minus cos 0 by n, so plus 6 cos 0 by 12 n cube. So now we will get the values just like that. This value will be cancel out, 2 pi square by 12, and that is 1 by n. 1 by n means to say that it will also be the term, that is 1 by n. So this minus and this minus will turn into plus, and here this value is in negative. So this whole term will cancel out this, as I will write it in the fair term. Then 1 by pi bracket start pi square by 6 into minus 1 by n plus 6 into 1, that is this term 6 into 1 divided by 12 n cube, and here minus 2 pi square dot 1 divided by 12n and minus 6 dot 1 divided by 12n cube. So from here we will get this is minus term and this is for the whole bracket. So this term will cancel out this term will cancel out this. So again bn is equal to 0. Okay, so we got the value that is an only, and an equals to 1 by n square. So we will get the function that is f of x equals to a naught by 2, that will be 0 only, plus summation n from 1 to infinity an, that is 1 by n square and cos nx plus 0. So this is the function for us. Now we have to prove that also, that is pi square by 6 equals to 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square. So how to prove this? Now students, just do one thing. Here this is the function, so I can write that is 3x square minus 6x pi plus the function is 2 pi square by 12 is equal to n from 1 to infinity cos nx by n square. Now put the value of x equals to 2 pi, the upper limit I will put, then this value will turn into 12 pi square minus 12 pi square plus 2 pi square divided by 12. This value will be equals to I will put 2 pi here, then this value will be positive term only, and this value will turn into 1 by n square summation n from 1 to infinity. So this term is pi square by 6, as 12 pi square will be cancel out, and this value I'm just going to put, that is 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus dash dash dash. So this is our required answer. Thank you, have a good day. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.